What's up, YouTube people? So today I'm trying Dutch Bros. My first time like drinking it. I got a, what is this called?
Cinnamon swirl latte.
Cinnamon swirl latte with 4 shots of espresso. And then I got this, it's like muffin top. A chocolate muffin top. All right, let's see. All right. It has like cereal on the top. It's strong. Tastes strong. Let's try this. Let's see. Okay. That's good. Wait, one more mordida.
I got the Marshmallow Dream Protein Latte. So it's the Marshmallow Dream seasonal drink. And I added the protein milk and extra sweetener, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. I still like mine more because it tastes more like coffee, but it's good. But in their protein.
Because you got 4 shots of espresso.
Yeah. Oh, try mine. Was it?
That's good. That's too much. Those 4 espressos.
Ooh, I love the taste of coffee.